Welcome to the Employer Education Series eSERS tutorial on the copy forward function within contribution reporting. The copy forward function is helpful for a small group of employees or contract employees. It can be used when you need to create a new contribution report and all of the information is the same from the previous cycle to the current one. You are able to customize the copy forward report by adding or deleting employees as needed. To start the copy forward process, go to the Contribution File Correction and Manual Contribution Entry menu item under the Employer Reporting tab. In the Posted Employer Reporting header panel, check the box next to the header ID you wish to copy forward. You will then enter in the reporting date for the report that you will be creating. Then, click Copy Forward. When you click Copy Forward, you will be taken to the Employer Reporting header maintenance screen. The contribution cycle code and reporting date will automatically populate. Once you have verified that this information is correct, click Save. Once you click Save in the previous step, the system carries over the information from the prior header that you are copying and populates all detail records in the contribution information panel. The Social Security numbers, last names, period begin and end dates, and earnings codes are all populated for you. The information not populated are the days, hours, dollar amounts of earnings, and contributions. All of the individuals from the report that were just copied forward are populated in the new report. In this example, there is only one individual in the previous file that was copied forward. If your report has more than one individual showing, and there are individuals that aren't being reported with this new file, check the box next to the record ID for that individual and click Void. The Void Record button in the Contribution Information panel will void any record that should not be in this contribution report. If you need to add additional records that were not carried over when you click the Copy Forward button, click New. From here, you will need to enter in all contribution information and click Save. To update the contribution record in the Contribution Information panel to reflect the current earnings period payroll information, check-mark the box next to the Contribution Record ID and click Open. As a helpful tip, if you would like to update all of the records in the Contribution Information panel, simply check the box next to the Contribution Record ID and it will check all of the boxes in that screen, and then click Open. The selected records open for you to update. The employee's Social Security number, first name, and last name are already populated, along with the period begin and end dates and the earnings code. You will need to enter in the following information: service days, hours, employee pre-tax or post-tax contributions, which is the 10%, and the employee earnings submitted. Once you have entered in the required information, click Save. Once the record is saved, it will display any errors or warnings in the Validation Information panel. For more information on errors and warnings, please view the eSERS tutorial on errors and warnings. Once the errors or warnings are resolved, continue to the next record by clicking Next if there are more than one. When you have entered in all of your employees, both the header and detail records will change to a valid status once you have updated the required fields and clicked Save. This means you are ready to submit your file for posting. Click the previous button to take you to the Employer Reporting header maintenance screen. The Employer Reporting header maintenance screen is populated with information based on the detail records that were created. Click the Submit for Posting button once you have verified that the information entered is correct. Once a header is submitted for posting, it becomes read-only. The header status changes to Posting in Progress and will change to Posted once the information is processed. Once your header status shows that the file has been posted, you can now go to the payment remittance application and submit your payment. For any questions on contribution reporting and the copy forward function, please contact us. Thank you for watching.